Sunday. I lost my train of thought. The coffee's not working. Okay, I just got out of the shower. As you guys saw, my hair is feeling like so dry. I probably need to trim my ends or something, but also like when I washed my hair last week, the products I put in there, like I knew for a fact that my hair was not liking it because the gel and the conditioner were, let me put this down, were beefing with each other. And I rinsed and washed my hair and it felt so nasty and dry and just like crunchy. So I put 2 deep conditioners in there and I still have the deep conditioner in there, and I need to leave this for like a couple of hours. It's one of those type of days. Also could be the change in the weather, and it also could be when I be wearing my hair in a bun, y'all, it be giving neglect. Hair in a bun, I'm not thinking about it, I'm not worrying about it. I take it down in the morning and put more gel on the edges and then just crunch it back up in a bun, and it's like, why do I do that? Anyway, I got on my little Savage X Fenty set, and this makes me feel like a Teletubby. Let me show y'all. Is it giving adult Teletubby? I don't know, but I'm about to go outside and change the lights on the patio. Put cinnamon in my coffee and it just went down wrong. I'm about to change the lights on the patio. I'm gonna show you when we get out there, but I bought these patio lights like months ago, and they're like supposed to be solar powered. I think I got them at Home Goods and they were on clearance. Should have been the first red flag. And they were so cute. They were working really good for like a week. Threw the box away, threw the receipt away, they stopped working. So I've just had these lights sitting on my patio and they don't actually work at all. So I'm gonna replace them with Christmas lights. I feel like it's time for me to start doing like the Christmas decorating, especially because it's about to be Thanksgiving, which means it's already Christmas, and we're gonna be going to visit my mommy. I'm gonna get that, and then we're gonna go outside and we're gonna do the lights, and it's gonna be a whole little vibe. And I'm feeling like I need some hot chocolate. Or, you know. Hey Google, play Mariah Carey Christmas music. Okay, let's go. Hours needed to clean the balcony off a little bit. I forgot to make my thumbnail for my video that just went up. So if you're watching this, then go watch my fall evening routine. So the one plug is right there. Like there's no other plug, so that's kind of awkward.
Been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want. I guess I'm doing what I want. Hope you're doing what you want. What you want?
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? time.
It's not going where I want.
Need some me time.
Hope you doing what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell. No, but mom, my killers don't tell. Shadow my mom, cause I knew you off the shelf. Now my bitch is the Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I wanna culture and get a little maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going where I want.
get some me time.
Hope you doing what you want. Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast and you do what you want.
In the meantime,
It's not going where I want.
get some me time.
You doing what you want.
In the meantime,
It's not going where I want.
get some me time.
You doing what you want.
Maybe I don't love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth.
I liked you better on the first date. I should've said what's wrong in the first place. I don't, cause you always taking it the wrong way. You won't listen, you're too busy playing 2K. I always been down, but you still sleep. And even though I said it now, you should've been peeved. I feel it in my soul, yeah, it's so deep. So deep, you should know that about me. I just turned down your avenue. I had to, but I'm mad at you, yeah. You always say I got an attitude, oh. Yeah, but that's you, you was acting rude. I had to ask you if you had a few, cause you always say I got an attitude, oh. Why you talking to me like you be like? Why you always wanna be right? Oh, I just need the time that you can't find. I just need to know that it's still mine. And the way that you can't say my name don't seem right. But I know when to go and to stop at the green light. Oh, I just turned down your avenue. I had to, but I'm mad at you, yeah. You always say I got an attitude, oh. Yeah, but that's you, you was acting rude. I had to ask you if you had a few, cause you always say I got an attitude, oh. So I'm the one that's out of place. I'm the one that's in the way. I don't communicate. I'm so spoiled. So I'm the one that need a break. Like you ain't stay in my place. But you the one who came home late. And watch me over until